Hi everybody and welcome. I'm Tim Riordan. I'm the principal of Archbishop Riordan High School. We're a co-ed Catholic school in the Westwood Park neighborhood of San Francisco, and we're all really excited that you're considering Riordan for the next chapter in your educational story. I've been working in Catholic education for the past 30 years, and I always tell families the same thing, especially 7th and 8th graders and their parents, and it's that they have to do the research to try to figure out which school is the best match for them as a student, but also as a dancer or an athlete or a writer or a scientist or a musician. There is a school that's out there for you and it's going to help you reach your potential, but you have to do the work to figure out which school that is. In terms of academics, Riordan is the best match, we think, for the widest variety of learners. For kids for whom school comes really easily, we have the St. Francis Scholars Program, and we have the engineering program. And the kids that are part of those organizations, they end up going to schools like Georgetown and UC Berkeley and Notre Dame. But we also have the Resource Specialist Program for kids with diagnosed learning differences. And we have the Star Renaissance Program for the kids who come into school feeling like they're a little bit behind. And all of those kids, by the time they finish their 4 years at Riordan, and all the kids in between, they feel like they have more opportunities than they ever dreamed of when they started Riordan. So we're really proud of that. We think probably one of the biggest reasons we're able to do that for so many kids is the size of our school. We're big enough to offer all the same programs that our much larger competitors offer, but we're still this small neighborhood school, and we can give each student the individual care that we think he or she deserves. So if this sounds like it's the right kind of school for you, then we'd love for you to reach out to us over the next couple of months with any questions you might have. Use the rest of your day today to learn as much about Riordan as you can. And please, as I said, reach out. We'll get back to you. We love to talk about Riordan. Go Crusaders.
My name is JT. I'm a senior here at Archbishop Riordan. Welcome to the open house. At Riordan, I'm involved in, I am the co-student body president. I'm also in campus ministry, the band, and in theater, and also in choir. So I'm in a lot of different aspects here at Riordan. At Riordan, it's definitely all about the community. I've formed so many different bonds here at Riordan because I'm a part of so many different sub-communities here at Riordan, in band and in PAC club and all of that. I've been able to form close relationships with a lot of my brothers. And now, because of student parliament and all the recent events, I've been able to close form bonds with even some of my sisters. So it's been really cool. The community is so special here at Riordan. My most vivid memory has definitely been the whiteout game here at Riordan, where the legend Dominic Stevens ended up draining 2 threes in a row, and everybody got hyped. And it was so cool to see the entire gym just filled with nothing but support and excitement for this one guy. And the community here at Riordan is just, honestly, just so inspiring. My plans after Riordan is I want to major into computer science, whether that be becoming a software engineer or in game developing. And my top colleges that I'm looking at right now are Stanford, UC Berkeley, UCLA, UCI, and also Cal Poly and San Jose State. Thank you guys for listening to me. Have a good time at the open house, and best of luck to you all.
Hi, I'm Gigi. I would like to welcome you all to the open house. I am a senior, and I am involved in student parliament as the student body co-president, and I am a female knight of Riordan. Something that I have realized is very unique about this community is their openness to change and adaptability. As being part of one of Riordan's first co-ed classes, I've realized how welcoming their community is and how eager they are for new students to join and get involved in their community as much as they can. The advice I would give to an 8th grader going into high school is just to try as many new things as you can, get involved as much as you can, meet new people, try to just do as much as you can and widen your horizons to new things. I plan to attend a 4-year university or college. I'm not quite sure what I want to major in, but probably child development and psychology or education. And I'm applying to most UCs, UC Davis, UC Irvine, UC Berkeley, UCLA, and some Cal States. I want to thank you all for attending the open house. I hope you learned a few new things, and I wish the best of luck to all of you.
Hello, my name is Danny Curtin, Director of Admissions and proud graduate of the class of 2008. I'm here to welcome you to Archbishop Riordan High School's open house, where you can gain some insight on what it means to be Archbishop Riordan Crusader. The Riordan High School experience is a unique experience. You'll learn a lot, you'll get access to teachers, to students, and to coaches. Principal Riordan, JT, and Gigi are great representatives of our school, and I hope you learned a lot from what they had to say. Your journey will begin here, right in the beautiful brick arches on Frida Kahlo Way. Archbishop Riordan High School is an amazing place. Welcome and enjoy your night.